It was 1816, which is over 2 years ago. Now, Mary Shelley was 18 years old, and she was traveling around with her stepsister?
Stepsister?
Stepsister. You know the story.
Okay, yeah.
Claremont. And they were traveling around France, but they had another companion, Mary's lover, Percy Shelley, one of the premier poets of the
Percy
day.
Shelley? She was in
Percy.
love with someone that had her last name?
2 names.
Percy?
Shelley Percy?
Rich, her name is not Mary Shelley before she marries.
Duh!
Her name is Mary Wollstonecraft Gotham.
Good luck.